trying to tighten these ball joints back up, and the ball joint just spins with the nut. Take a peek. See the center stud of the ball joint? It's spinning with the nut. See that? Let's try to hammer right here so that the steering knuckle bites into the taper of the ball joint. A couple of smackaroos. And it still didn't work. Well, didn't work this time. Let's try the old fry bar trick. In between the knuckle and the axle. Some good pressure downwards. Let's see if that gets it to bite. Watch that metal stud. See if it spins for me, people. It's biting. Yeah, it's biting. The tap trick worked to get us this far. And we had to use the pry bar to get us the rest of the way. Yep, we're biting now. See how the stud is now? Boom. So, bada boom. Ball joint's not replaced. U-joint. Took the steering knuckle off for a bunch of stuff. And there we go. Ball joint's not spinning anymore. A little pressure behind there. It wanted to spin right away when we got to the cotter key area. Just tapped this a few times and it got me all the way up to flush with the knuckle, and then it was too much for the tap trick, so you go on to the pry bar trick, get a little pressure in between the two, have somebody hold the bar and tighten her down.